Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It is officially October, which means it's time for another monthly reset and to just get us ready for this upcoming spooky season. I really want to go into this month like feeling refreshed, so the plan for today and maybe the next couple of days, we're gonna deep clean, we're gonna change the bedding. Well, actually you have to go buy some new ones, but change my bedding set to something a little more cozy and Halloween themed. Organize my beauty room. As y'all can see, I've been saying this for the longest time. I be trying, I move stuff around, but I have yet to actually declutter and organize, so hopefully I can do something with that. I'm gonna do a juicing cleanse, well, another one. So for the first 3 days of October, I'm doing straight juices. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and I'm gonna do it again for the beginning of every month basically. And then of course we have some errands to run. Need to go grocery shopping, get dog food, and possibly pick up some more like Halloween decorations to put around the house. I didn't decorate last year, which it was kind of freshly of me living here, but this year I want to decorate. Like I want to get into the holiday spirit. So hopefully I can find some stuff when I'm out and about. But yeah, that's what we have planned. So let's just get straight into it. We're just getting through a depression storm, so the house is indeed a mess right now, but I'm gonna show y'all a brief overview and then I'm gonna just get straight into cleaning. The living room, oh, also, I went to Dollar Tree yesterday to get some like basic essentials for the house. Some more cotton rods, gloves, some basic cleaning stuff. All the simple things you typically should get from Dollar Tree. Did that yesterday, so don't have to worry about that today. Like I said, need dog food. This is very not okay. And the living room itself doesn't look horrible. As for the stove, needs work. Need to do the dishes. My beauty room, like I said, it speaks for itself. Like it really does. The bathroom isn't horrible. It just needs a regular like touch up. And same thing for my room. It's time to let the all black go. It's time to let it go. I mean, I love it. We'll return back to it, but it's time. And all the freaking dog hair just literally everywhere. My boyfriend actually just took the dogs to go get baths, so hopefully by the time they come back, I got some stuff handled in here. Also, I want to show y'all this new pillow. His pick, but yeah, very cutesy. Got it at Ross, I think, a couple weeks ago. And I also got our new, if I can find it, oh, it wasn't Ross, it was TJ Maxx. But dog hair everywhere. This is our print for this month. I've seen this video of this girl saying like the correct time to like take down and put up decorations. So moving forward, I'm gonna try to follow it, but I'm gonna go based on seasons kind of, and then just have smaller changes each month for each like holiday that's going on, something like that. I don't really know, but that's the plan I have made up in my mind. Enough talking. Let's get it going.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat. I got. Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, that's what Wake Me Bagel.
Love it up, do, do, do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. That's when I kiss it highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it.
Who knew looking for bed sets would be this hard? They have nothing.
It's tough.
No.
You don't even pick nothing.
I literally let you pick this one. Yeah, but that seems. I also don't like that print either.
Alright.
So you want this one?
Oh.
Decisions.
You want to take both and see how it feels?
No, I don't want to take both. Who are you?
You see how it feels, and then we'll return the other one.
No, we can see how it feels right now. Pick one.
It's tough. It's confident.
Oh my gosh.
It's tough. Let's just take both.
No, we're not taking both.
What Summer say? You get the wrong person some money.
No, and it. Literally. And it. Get your face off that. You know if you'll untouch that?
Alright, let's take this.
Final answer.
Finance. A little bit of luxury.
A little bit of luxury. You can't be serious.
Hold on. Look, I can't squish these. See?
Right.
I did. I did.
Why are you taking it? Oh my
What if I
gosh.
take it home, bro? Oh, shit feels weird.
Look at you. Now you putting it back in the bag. What about this one? Oh, I think it's memory foam. Yeah, it is. That's
It
why.
feels like it's breaking down.
It's memory foam.
I don't like that. I just don't know how to say. What the hell?
That's what it is.
Weird. I kind of like this though. I don't like that I can do this.
Maybe because you're not supposed to be doing that.
Two of these,
Still need 2 more.
friend. What do you mean?
We need 4.
What pillows do you want? You okay?
I'm not you. No, I don't. What about this? What about this one? No.
It says firm, but it's not firm. What's the difference?
I think those 2 are the same, but the other one is different.
But look, the design is different.
Well, maybe it's not the same as somebody did what you did and took it out and put it in the wrong thing.
Might be on something. Trying to take me out.
Sick. Sick. Anyways, y'all, we went to go watch. What did we just watch?
Huh?
What movie did we just watch?
What?
What movie did we just watch?
The long walk.
Oh, we just went to go watch The Longest Walk. Great movie. Great movie. Definitely cried, but it was a great movie. 9.8 out of 10. This freaking pimple on my face. I also did my makeup today. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's kind of cute. I think I kind of like it. I think...
No, it's crazy. So your dad. That's so mean. Come on. No, you take your bag and you want to go somewhere?
Did we get the right size? What? I should have got it clean. I get full. Is this better full bed?
Maybe it is a queen. I mean, do you want to take it back? Or just...
Don't fit.
It's gonna fit. It's just...
I mean, if you could put it on there, it's like it.
Nah, it's not.
I thought you said it was full.
I thought it was. Get out.
Oh my god.
Get out. It's not gonna fit.
You don't want to try it?
No.
Oh no. I already threw the other ones away. What's that?